So hi guys, this is Gautam here from SeekaHost. So along with me, Fernando is here.
Hi.
Yeah, hi Fernando. So actually today in this video, we're just going to elaborate like what is PBN hosting and what is especially SeekaHost PBN hosting.
Yeah, let's look into the things about our PBN hosting, the world's best PBN hosting services, and the largest provider of PBN hosting for private blog network owners to the SEO community. We've been doing this for a long time right now. Been providing since 2050. Came a long way, more than 4 years. And in this video, Gautam will explain about our PBN hosting services, what are the individual cPanel accounts, and how we went about, and our 2000 unique IPs that anybody can get, and things like that. And also why we're giving for such a competitive price when everybody's charging a lot of money to offer that one. How we can do that. A lot of people have this question about like how you guys can give us you this cheaply, and what's special, what's hidden, right? So all these things will go into detail in this video. And this is our legendary page, the PBN hosting page at SeekaHost, with all the details. So Gautam, let's look into the things like from the starting, about our PBN hosting, a little bit of a introduction about our IPs and the
Yeah,
locations and
yeah,
things
sure.
like that. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. So actually, these six features which is mentioned in here in the top are the special features. So actually, in SeekaHost, you can get up to 2000 unique IP PBN package. So I will just scroll below. You could see like what all the available packages. So starting from 5, even we giving a one IP PBN package as well for the starters. So just to test it, so they can go up to like 2000 IP PBN hosting packages. So when you buy 2000 IPPBN hosting package, you will get like 2000 unique IPs, 1000 GB disk space, 10,000 GB data transfer. Also, individual cPanel accounts for each IP and each domain that you host with us. So it's going to be 2000 unique cPanel accounts. So the price is it's getting started like $0.85 dollars per month for a site. So this is the special feature, one of the main feature. So another thing is like we providing free one-click installer. You don't want to get trouble in installing WordPress, Magento, whatever it is, because it depends on people. So someone will prefer to go with WordPress, someone will prefer to go with Magento, someone will custom design, someone will just drop a customs the files like HTML files or PHP. So it depends. So we want to be friendly to everyone. So we providing the free one-click installer, so they can just click on the go to the one-click installer and then just install the CMS in a single click. So it will make the work very easy, because managing multiple sites is a very tough process. So if you want to install it individually for all the websites, it's gonna very tough. So that's why we're providing free one-click installer, using which you can just install it in seconds and make your work very easy. So also we provide individual cPanel accounts, so you can handle each account as a separate website. You don't want to confuse all your accounts. You don't want to show a footprint for Google like everything is under a single account. So everything will be acting as an individual account with private name servers. So what happens is like, so private name server, for example, if your website is abc.com, then you will get name servers as ns1.abc.com and ns2.abc.com. So also for some of the websites, some of the domains, they won't accept same IPs. Even we providing two individual IPs for the private name servers that don't accept same IPs. So we're providing all the customizations that's needed for your domain to keep it footprintless, to keep it safe, and to just give some good power to your money sites. So our package is just starting from $0.85 per month per site. So we also provide 24/7 live support. We don't say like it's not a hosting issue. We don't say like it's not our responsibility. We will provide all kind of support. Even if you are facing any issues in updating the name servers, our team is there. They will help you to update your name servers. Either you can raise a request through chat, or else you can raise a ticket. Our team will do complete A to Z for you. So meanwhile, when you have hosting with us, if you face any issues, you don't want to worry. So you can just raise a ticket, or else there is a chat support. So you don't want to mention raise a ticket like an messages. So what happens is like you just raise a chat, you say what is your problem, what you are facing. They will ask few questions to know it very deeply. So once they understand your problem, they will just support you through chat. So if some problem is not possible to support through the front end, if back end experts want to get into it, then you want to raise a ticket and we will help you with that. So you don't want to spend lot of time, so you just concentrate on your business, host your websites, just make the thing so easy. So the things will comes with MySQL, cPanel, and the PHP. So it will be very friendly for the WordPress. Also, the IPs will be very friendly under the nature like A class, B class, and different C class IPs. So we're providing maximum possible A class, B class, C class, and D class IPs. So that's how. So this is our plan actually. So it's getting
Yeah.
started from 5 IP, and we just going to up to like 20. Oh,
Those,
sorry, 2000 IPs.
yeah, I want to actually mention a few things about the about what you mentioned about the 24/7 support as well as the live
Yep.
chat support. On top of
Yes.
that, we have a lot of resources written on our guide section, on even on our YouTube, and also if you go to there is a lot of blogs on SeekaHost blog about
Yeah.
the PBN SEO, what is a private blog network. Even if you just Google private blog network, if you Google like PBN tips by SeekaHost, things like that, you'll have so many articles pops up on Google, right? So all these things are tips to build a PBN footprint less, like how to build a PBN very in-depth article, PBN for SEO, what sort of a link pattern, all those things has to be done. And also this very recently written one about PBN SEO, which is really focusing on how the PBN SEO works in 2020. I wrote this article explaining all the things, look back how you've been doing from 2014 about the PBN, been testing how PBNs work, what changes, what kind of a link building strategies work when it even comes to about building on a PBN, what factors to keep in the mind. All those things are covered. So if you're new to the private block network SEO game, even though you're looking to start with your PBN hosting packages, I really recommend you read these articles, which gives you pretty much, it covers everything. And if there's anything change about private block networks, PBN SEO, link building, how to monetize PBNs, how to build PBNs in a footprint level less way, we cover that as it happens. Next day it go live on our SeekaHost blog. These are 4 articles you can see. Even if you're seeing this video on YouTube, you can see below the description all the links to these articles. Read it, and it covers everything. This is how we've been building. I myself has started as an SEO consultant. I practice these things step by step. That's one of the reasons I didn't get any PBN de-indexed or anything after 2016. Until 2016, I was doing a lot of trial and error. But since then, I really found out what's the formula. How do you build a blog the right way to serve the web? That's what all comes down. We tell to people, even our customers and whoever go about PBN hosting, build your blog in a manner to serve the web. Don't just put spammy content and the things like that. So all these resources are there. You should read it, and these are the things we adapt to on top of the customer care and everything. However, if you have any questions, always, are you seeking for someone to help you, click that button, you enter your name and details, and you get then and there things answered. And then the other thing I want to talk about, you can see private blog network expert at PBN Demystify. That's our Facebook group, our own Facebook with over 7,000 people. Click there. When you click it, you will be taken to this PBN Demystify group. Over 7,500 people. It's a very active group, right? You can see like today morning already, this many people have been posting. It's a very active group. I invite you to join it. Thousands of people from this group are using our own hosting. So it's a trading platform. There are a lot of people with talks about the PBN hosting, the links, the expired domains. If you're looking to buy expired domains, and if you're looking to expired domain providers, this is a great place. So that's the thing. We have everything covered on top of the PBN hosting that we offer from SeekaHost, because it's not just a hosting we want to give. We want to make sure your hosted blogs, once you get hosting from us, they last forever. And some of the people we've been telling you must build your PBNs like your virtual properties for future. It's not just to plug backlinks or anything. You can make money from PBNs. A lot of resources are there, and so that's the level of support we provide for with our PBN hosting services. So
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, so these are the things. So you should know, like, we are not only providing hosting, we also providing some expert tips. Like, we just writing everything is for you. So because we want to make your business profitable. You don't want to just build a PBN just for the backlinks. You can even make money through it. So if you are interested and if you are into the PBN business, sure, I'm sure like these blogs will be really helpful and it will double your money. So you guys should read about it. So these are the things. So we will just drop these links in the description as well, so it will be very helpful for you, so
Yeah.
you can just go through with that.
Also,
So
one more
yeah.
thing, guys. Like, so if you're a serious person, if you've been one of our customers, if you're planning to purchase PBN hosting from SeekaHost, you can always email to us, right? We're that level of a
Yes.
support. Even myself, Fernando at SeekaHost.com, Gautam at SeekaHost.com. You can send an email. Be happy to answer if you have any questions. If you're a newcomer, kind of thinking about building a PBN, not sure what to get it, where to start, all those things. That's why we give the one IP free trial, and even the three IPs you can request to get a free trial and test it out, and then you can
Yes.
really see how the hosting and everything works on, and then you
Yeah.
can move into a higher package starting from 5 IP to 10 IP, and most of the people then straight away go for 20, 30, can go up to, build your
Yes.
private block networks in that manner.
Yes. So you don't want to worry. So even if you want to test 10 domains, you can just get 10 IPPBN package free trial for 7 days. You can just get it and you can experience it. You know, like, how the system function. Then you can come back to us. So we promise that you will really love us and you will really get back to us, because we are just getting such an rewards from our customers. Like, it's really useful, helpful, because we are not limiting any of our support. We're just providing the maximum support that we can do to build up your business. Because when it comes to PBN, it's not about one or two sites, because the customers are coming up like 100,000 and 2,000 sites. So we want to really help them and we want to make them grow, because that's the exact model of our business. Because even we directly accept your emails to our personal email IDs, as mentioned by Fernando. Like, because you can email to fernando@seekos.com, or else to myself at gautam@seekos.com. So we are ready to help you, and we are ready. We want you to join us and grow together. So these are the special things, especially about PBN hosting. So Fernando, anything else we want to cover with this video?
I mean, we pretty much cover the things, guys. Like, if you have any
Yes.
questions, you can always reach out to us, read those
Yes.
guides, because our goal is to make sure your PBNs are hosted and running very well. Because I tell the people, like, your PBNs are like your blogs that are built to make you money. You can don't drop them. I see a lot of people sometimes, well, as the clients, I want to, oh, I don't know whether I can host it. No, you spend time on expired domains. You build your blogs, and there are so many ways you can make money. I have, even if you Google how to make money from PBNs, I have an article written on my blog. You can
Yes.
read that, and those are the resources. Read it, be known, and just, like, if you have any question, reach to us. And
Yes.
that's what we are here to do. That we want to make sure
Yeah.
we serving you
Yeah.
with
So
all
also,
the ways. Yeah.
yeah. So also one more thing is, like, so if you're watching this video and if you're working on a PBN, be ready to watch our next video, in which we just gonna cover about, like, if you're having a PBNs, then what are the possible ways to earn with the PBN domains, or with the private domains. Also, we just gonna cover, because so many people are frustrated during this lockdown, because their SEO business was gone. So they
Yeah.
just dropping their powerful domains and they just losing their future business as well. So
Yeah.
we could see so many people are doing those things, and even they coming back to us and saying, like, I don't have my SEO clients paying, so what to do. So there are a lot of things. So we just gonna help you with our next video. Is ultimately all about, like, how to earn with the PBN and how to make it powerful, how to make use of it during this lockdown. So these are the stuffs we're gonna cover in the upcoming video. So be ready, and it will be very helpful as well. So Fernando, you can conclude it.
Yeah, that's the thing, guys. In our new next video, literally, we will be doing and covering about how can you make your PBNs very prosperous for your business. Really, not that if some clients stopped in your niche that you need to drop your PBN. So we are going to cover it. Watch out in our YouTube channel for the next video about how to make money from your PBNs, grow them for your future, like your virtual properties. That's going to open up you so many things for SEO, to make money, to build a brand, all those kind of things. Really, we will cover up that one. So thanks for listening to this video. Have any question, reach out to us. We're here to help you build the best private blog network, which is the world's best PBN hosting.